Hi, my name is Aparjan and I'm an architecture student. According to me, Vastu plays a very important role. And coming down to Bhor and being a part of this Vastu World community has been a great learning experience for me. Bhor is basically a place where you get to rejuvenate along with what you learn and what you experience. And sitting aside in a city, taking workshops online is not just the correct way of conducting a workshop. It's better you come down to a remote area like this where you have no internet connectivity, so already you are out of this existing world, and you have so much of learning. You get to experience, you get to check things what is there in the nature, and you get connected to nature yourself. And like, once I come here, it has been a 3-day long workshop. So first day the energy level was okay, and the third day when I'm leaving, that is today, so the energy level has just shoot up because of all the natural things around. We get to swim in the lake. We had all the food that is made out of things grown here. And yeah, the living and the vibes which are here are amazing. Thank you so much.